So for my marinated steak bites, I have pita bread, but you can also use naan bread as well to pretty much use this as your presentation. So you can either use naan bread or you can use pita bread. All right, so I'm only making enough for one serving. So all I'm going to need is this one piece, and we're going to cut it into, I think 16, either 8 or 16 triangle pieces, and you'll see what we do with the finishing touches. So instead of putting my naan bread in the oven, I am going to put it in the toaster. Now I have I've had this toaster since I was like first time out, 18 on my own. So it has a really nice toasting quality to it, especially being the fact that it's been 15, 16 years. However, I have to be careful with my toaster, and I strongly suggest you do too. Especially if you have one of these toasters that have all these buttons and stuff on it, child, it will burn your food all the way up. Not the type of crunchy I want. So just stand by, just go ahead and stand by your toaster oven. It should only take maybe like 1 or 2 minutes, okay? Just make sure it's not burning to high hell. We don't need nothing around here burning like Usher.